Hey, this is Sean on Becoming Select, and have you ever wondered how to wrap an axe bat successfully? Well, today we're going to show you that. Wrapping an axe bat is easy, but you have to do a few things different. So today we need a few things. Lizard skin, we chose the 1.1 millimeter, scissors, and electrical tape. Please ask your parents to borrow the scissors, and do not do it all by yourself because you might get cut. So ask your parents to do it with you. So there's one thing that's different. Your starting point where you start putting the lizard skin on. It's right here. So here's our lizard skin. Here are the instructions if you need it. You don't need this until the very end. So here is the edge of the tape. You have to use the skinny end for the beginning, not the fat end. See? This one's more skinnier than this one. Since I am a right-handed batter, I am going to have to do it right to left. From avoiding it to sticking it to itself or to you, you just peel a little bit off at a time, like this much when you start. So make it look like this, the angle of it. So here, the axe handle, right here, and then start going level, make it level. So this is what I call the one dot. We need to use that. It's like this edge is a sword, cutting the dot in half. So like this. And then you go all the way down using that method. Always hold the bat with your left hand and hold the tape with the right hand, unless you're left-handed, and then you switch like this. Pull it tight, then turn. Pull it tight, then turn. Pull it tight, then turn. And also, maintain the dot method. Now it's time to put the electrical tape on. What I'd recommend is you do not tear it off, but you cut it off so you won't have wrinkles in the tape that makes this do not look correct. Now it's time to put this on. Since you get to put a number on it, you need to put it like level with the edge of the axe handle and then put it right there. So when you hit a home run, the pitcher can see which number hit the home run. If your parents think it's impossible to wrap an axe bat, remember this video, show it to them, and tell them that I was 9 years old and I did this. If you like this video, comment down below, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned on Becoming Select.